Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma app. First, open Figma and create a new design file. You'll want to set up your initial artboards, which are essentially your screen canvases. Familiarize yourself with the left panel for layers and assets, the top bar for tools, and the right panel for properties. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth design workflow. Now, let's dive into designing the user interface. Start by using frames to define your screen sizes, perhaps for a mobile device like an iPhone 14. Then, use basic shapes to block out sections. Establish a clear color palette and typography system early on. Remember to create components for elements like buttons and input fields. This saves a tremendous amount of time and ensures consistency across your app. With your UI designed, it's time to bring your app to life through prototyping. Switch to the Prototype tab and start connecting your frames. You can define interactions like on click or on drag to navigate between screens. Experiment with different animation types, such as Smart Animate for smooth transitions. Testing your prototype frequently helps identify any usability issues before development begins. Finally, sharing and collaboration are key steps. You can easily share your Figma file with a link, allowing others to view or comment directly on your designs. Actively seek feedback and be prepared to iterate based on suggestions. Once approved, organize your layers and components clearly. This preparation ensures a seamless handoff to developers, making their job much easier and more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.